Hey, what's going on, everybody? Salute. Thanks for clicking on the video. This video is just a test run, using just a different art style, something that I was inspired by, something that I really wanted to try. But before we get to that, I just want to say, some of you may or may not have noticed, I changed the name to the channel. I hope you guys, before it was J Legends Art, now it's Alvarado Art. I'm hoping you guys just keep that in mind. So if you ever see it, you don't just ignore it. it's me. It's just a change of the name, and we clean the channel up in terms of just the banner, the actual icon or default picture, whatever you want to call it, or the avatar picture. Big thanks to Evilise for the help on that. Without her, that wouldn't have happened. And this video is also inspired by her. There's two videos that's gonna be in the description. One is going to be the video that really inspired me to really go after this, and then the other video is how to make your lines more cleaner and a lot better than what I did. What I do looks so horrible, especially after when you see what she's capable of doing. Also hit her up if you want custom bottles done. Again, this is a test run. I just want to see, how this was going to come out. So let me just shut up and let you watch it. Overall, there's a lot to learn from this. That paint is a good paint, and you could do one or two things with that. You could either let it dry over X amount of days, Or if you really need that glass done faster, you could take that glass and put it in the oven. When you buy that paint, it will actually, it will give you the instructions on what you should do. Beyond that, like I said, man, this was a trial run. Of course, there's so much to get better there. You want your lines to be cleaner. Check that video that's in the description. Big picture, did I really fail? I would say yeah, but at the same time, it's like, is it really a fail if you actually learn something from it? And it was a test run to begin with. So I am looking forward to doing an actual bottle and seeing how that turns out. Besides that, man, I just need y'all to go check out my last few videos. Absolutely need your opinions on them. And yeah, just subscribe, like, all that good stuff that you were doing on any other channel. Hopefully some of this stuff inspires you. Or, you know, if it don't inspire you to actually go do something, maybe it inspires you to go just watch more of my videos. How about that? That sounds like a good idea. You should go click on another one of my videos.